Bore da, St Andrews, Happy New Year to you all, Blwyddyn Newydd Dda. I'm really missing being able to see you all face to face, but it's really nice to be able to catch up this morning virtually. And the reason I'm here this morning is to celebrate all those children that have had a birthday since mid-December, right up until Friday this week on the 8th of January. So let's find out who those children are. Okay, so some of our reception children have had their 5th birthday. And just before I tell you who they are, I'm going to share with you some fun facts about the number 5. Did you know 5 is no ordinary number? It may be no coincidence that the human body and most humans have 5 fingers on each hand and 5 toes on each foot. We also have 5 senses: sight, smell, taste, touch and hearing, and there's 5 sensory organs: eyes, nose, tongue, skin and ears. Mimi Kingston and Jackson Roster have both turned 5. Here's wishing them a very happy 5th birthday. Okay, so what can I tell you about the number 6 that fascinated me? Well, hexagonal structures are found in many living things, such as the cells of honeycomb. And a shape with 6 sides and 6 corners is called a hexagon. Some of the children in Year 1 have turned 6, and they're Harper Taylor, Damalia, Darcy, Amaya and Amelia. A Penboith Happist to all of you. Children in Year 2 have been turning 7, and I have some facts about the number 7. Okay, now the number 7 has a significance in many religions. In Christianity, in the Old Testament, the world was created in 6 days, and God rested on the 7th, therefore creating the basis of the 7-day week. Okay, in the Quran, it speaks of 7 heavens, and Muslim pilgrims walk around Kaaba in Mecca, Islam's most sacred site, 7 times. In Hinduism, there are 7 higher worlds and 7 underworlds, and in Buddhism, the newborn Buddha rises and takes 7 steps. Children who have turned 7 are Issa and Yusuf Javid, who are twins, Mason, Yasina, Logan, Patricia, Iman and Yadanka. A very happy 7th birthday to all of you children. Okay, so the number 8. An arachnid is a spider, something that has 8 legs, and an octopus has 8 tentacles. Now this has fascinated Mrs. Charles the most. In China, it's considered to be very lucky, the number 8, because it sounds like the word pinyin, which means generate wealth. The opening ceremony of the Beijing Olympics started at 8 minutes and 8 seconds past 8 p.m. on the 8th of August 2008. I just found facts like that absolutely fascinating. And here's a little bit about myself. Okay, I was actually born on the 9th of August 1980. If I'd have been born one day earlier, or actually just 22 minutes earlier, I would have been born on the 8th of the 8th, 80, meaning that on the 8th of the 8th, 88, I would have turned 8. Just missed out by 22 minutes, but still I love those facts. Here's wishing Harley, Liam, Shania and Berthium a very happy 8th birthday. Penblwydd hapus bawb. Okay, so the number 9, another number fact here because Mrs. Charles loves number facts. Did you know that if you multiply the number 9 by any whole number other than 0 and repeatedly add the digits of the answer until it's just 1 digit, you'll end up with 9? I've tested this out myself. 2 times 9 equals 18. If you separate the digits and do 1 add 8, you get 9. Tested it a few more times. If you do 121 lots of 9, you get 1089, okay? And then if you separate the digits and do the 1, add the 0, add the 8, add the 9, you get 18. Separate those again, you get 1 add 8 equals 9. Wow. I wonder if any of you knew that already, and I wonder if you want to test it out with some other numbers. The children that have turned 9 last month or the start of this month, Mohammed, Kaisan, Natalie, Llewellyn, Staren Jade, Lawin, Isaac, Leon and Ava. Happy birthday to all of you. Enjoy being 9. Okay, So 10, what do we know about 10? Well, a crab has 10 legs, and did you know that the Korean alphabet has 10 vowels? Lots of children in year 5 have had a 10th birthday. Look at them all. Sienna, Amy, Susanna, Nina, Mohammed, Shanae, Rafia, Ikra, Megan, Chloe, Caleb, Dilmeet and Lexi Midlane. Lots of birthdays happening and celebrations in year 5. Wishing you all a very happy birthday. Enjoy being double figures and have a great year. Okay, so 11. 11 is the age that you are in your final year of primary school, and I'll tell you in a moment who the year 6 children are that have had an 11th birthday. The number 11 is quite significant to us for several reasons. Okay, so on the 11th day of the 11th month, when the armistice to the end of the First World War was signed at the 11th hour in 1918. So we celebrate that with Remembrance Day every year in November at 11 o'clock. On the 11th day of the 11th month. Also, the World Trade Center, which was destroyed on the September the 11th in 2001, took 11 years to build from scratch, and its 2 towers resembled the number 11. Year 6 who've had a birthday are Theo, Wyatt, Eamon, Kaylin and Harriet. I hope you all had great birthdays, and I'm wishing you a very happy year ahead. So St Andrews, they're all the children that have had birthdays. When we're able to come together again face to face, all those children can collect their birthday pencils from their class teacher. Here's wishing you Penblwydd hapus bawd. Hwyl fawr bawb.